Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to enter starting conversion balances in Xero. When moving to new accounting software, one of the most important tasks is bringing your old financial position with you correctly. If starting balances are wrong, everything after that can be distorted. Bank balances, reports, equity, profit history, payables, receivables, and reconciliations. That's why conversion balances matter. They form the bridge between your old system and your new one. Conversion balances are the opening balances imported manually when switching to Xero from another accounting system, spreadsheets, manual bookkeeping records, a previous accountant's ledger. They usually represent your balances as of the date you start using Xero. Think of them as the opening snapshot of your business finances. Begin by logging into your Xero account. Once inside the dashboard, click Accounting, then choose Accounting Settings. Why this area matters. Accounting settings contain structural financial controls such as chart of accounts, tax settings, financial defaults, conversion balances, fiscal setup items. Once the settings page opens, look under the Accounting section and click Conversion Balances. Why this section is important. This is where you tell Xero, here is where my business stood financially when I started using the system. Without this, your reports may begin at 0 or inaccurate values. Set the conversion date first. Inside the Conversion Balances area, click Conversion Date. Then enter the month and year you began processing transactions in Xero. After entering it, click Save. What the conversion date means. This is the effective start point for your Xero bookkeeping records. Go back to the Balances section and click Add a new line. What a new line represents. Each line is usually one account balance. Examples: bank account, accounts receivable, accounts payable, equipment, loan payable, owner equity. Enter debit and credit balances. Now add the correct balances using debit column, credit column, depending on the account type. Total debits should equal total credits. If they do not, your conversion data is incomplete or incorrect. That's a core accounting rule. Save the entries. After entering all lines, click Save. What you just did, big picture. You set the date Xero officially begins for your books, imported your old financial position, established opening balances, enabled meaningful reports going forward. You gave the software memory. To summarize, entering starting conversion balances in Xero begins by logging into your account, navigating to Accounting, and opening Accounting Settings. Under the Accounting section, selecting Conversion Balances allows you to set the conversion date first by entering the month and year you officially began processing transactions in Xero. After saving that date, you return to the Balances screen, add new lines for each account, and enter the appropriate debit and credit opening balances before saving again. This process is essential because it carries your previous financial position into Xero accurately. Correct conversion balances create reliable reports, accurate reconciliations, and a clean starting point for all future bookkeeping. And that's how to enter starting conversion balances in Xero. If your opening numbers are wrong, every later report becomes suspect. Build the base carefully. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.